Hello and welcome. My name is Clara from Massage Angels, and I'm very happy to be here and introduce to you all a self-massage for the upper body, the arms and also the hands. This is very useful for anyone who's experiencing tension within the neck, within the traps, around the shoulders, around the arms, within the hands and within the fingers. So all you need is yourself sat in a comfortable seat, a table, maybe even a towel to use as comfort for the hand and arm massage, and maybe even a tennis ball or a firm soft ball to use on the forearm. However, these extra items aren't necessary if you don't have them close by. So we're going to start by sitting in the centre of our chair, feet are parallel, and you're just going to tuck your belly in so you're stacking your spine up nice and tall. You're going to take your two hands together and you're just going to start to create some heat between your palms by doing some frictions, okay, of the hands. So the quicker you go, the more you're going to create that heat between those two palms. Okay, so we're just going to be here for a moment as we do this. So I'm starting to feel some warmth in between the two palms. So now you're going to separate your hands and then just cup over your eyes. Resting your fingers over on top of your head. And this is really good if you have been working with a computer for most of your day or been staring at a computer screen. It just helps to relax away any dry eye or any strain, any tension, any pressure on the head, around the face. Take a moment here to breathe in and breathe out through the nose, helping to melt away any stress, any tension. And then slowly go release the hands away from your eyes and then place the heels of the hands at your temples. Then slowly open your eyes. Okay, welcome back. So now you're going to basically take your hands in a circular motion, okay, at the temples. Again, just helping to release any tension at the side of the face, around the eyes, any pressure that you may have within the head. And then you're going to release your heels from the head, okay? And then place your hands, and then take them again, and then place the hands onto the head, take them away again, and replace them again. Okay, perfect. And then relax the hands down. Now we're going to work onto our neck muscles, okay, particularly the side of the neck. We're going to rotate the head, okay, so if you rotate your head towards your left side, you're going to work on your right side. You're going to take your hand behind your jaw and you're just going to literally allow your hand to glide down towards your elbow and then glide it back up, okay, to position 1 and then to position 2. And then maybe as you do this, you would like to press your shoulder down, okay? Come down towards the elbow and then come back up. This time you're going to bend your fingers, okay? So your 3 fingers, so your index, your middle and your ring finger. And then you're going to work your fingertips into the side of your neck by doing a circular kneading motion, just to help to generate some circulation and some oxygen within those muscles, helping to ease away any tension. Maybe you want to work more towards the back of the neck, onto the levator-scapular muscle, or maybe you want to work more into the side of the neck, onto the sternocleidomastoid muscle. So these muscles can become quite tight, particularly if you work with computers or if you tend to drive a lot. These muscles here, yeah, there's a lot of tightness there that we all can sort of work with. And then you're going to just turn your head so that you're facing towards the front, okay? You're going to take your right hand this time, bend at your knuckles, so your index finger and middle finger, and then you're going to alternate the motion between 2 knuckles, okay, in this kind of motion. And then you're going to rotate at the wrist, and you're going to work down towards the line, in line with your chin. And then you're going to work up towards the back of the ear. And as you do this, feel free to add in some nods, okay? Nice and gently, and also close your eyes as well. And then as you reach up to the top, you can release your right hand down, taking your left hand over on top of the head. Take an inhale, exhale, side stretch, hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Taking the head up. This time you're going to take your left hand, place your fingertips over on top of your upper back. Do some circles here, okay, kneading into that upper trapezius muscles. This muscle can become very, very tight. Okay, so you're working those fingertips into the muscle here. Feel free to sort of press the fingertips in and just hold it for a moment. Okay, maybe you want to reposition the fingertips and then just press and hold it there for a moment, okay? Or just keep doing the circular motions, okay? Either way, it's just going to really help to break up any tension. And then we're going to work into the front of the body, so at the chest. So you're on the inside of the arm and just behind the collarbone. So you're just going to, again, do some circular motions with those 3 fingers, okay? Creating some heat, some blood circulation into the muscles. And then feel free to take your arm into a cactus position. And then feel free to hold onto your chest. Take an inhale and exhale. So just sort of opening up the chest here. Perfect. And then release that arm down. Nice. So you should feel on this side here that it feels nice and warm within the neck, within the upper trap, and also around your shoulder and chest. We're going to do the same side we're going to do the same for the other side. So you're going to turn your head towards your right hand side, working left side of the neck now. You're going to take your hand and you're literally going to effleurage. So you're going to sweep your hands down towards the elbow and then up towards the neck. Okay, and then as you come down, you can always press onto the shoulder, back down towards the elbow, and then cup your hand around towards the back, and also towards the side and the back of the neck. Okay, and then we're going to take those fingertips and we're going to do some kneading onto this side, working on either the side of the neck or behind the neck. Really sort of feeling, engaging with those muscles, and just helping to ease off any stress and tension that we might be carrying within those areas. And then we're going to basically turn our heads towards the front. With the left hand now, you're going to create these 2 knuckles with the index finger, middle finger, place it behind your jaw, underneath your ear. You're then going to do that motion back and forth, okay, and a little bit of rotation in your wrist as well. Going down towards in line with the chin, and then going back up towards underneath the ear. And then add in some nods as well, and close your eyes. This can feel very, very relaxing. So as we're working over skin, you can possibly use lotion if you prefer lotion, okay? We're now just doing a dry massage that I'm demonstrating to you today, but if you do prefer to use lotion on your own skin, by all means you can do that if that's more preferred by you. And then you're going to just open your eyes, release your hand, take the other hand over on top of the crown of the head, take an inhale, exhale, and then side stretch, hold it there for 3, 2, 1. Taking your head back to the center, again holding on to the back of your upper trapezius muscle, and just doing some nice circles with those fingertips, just working into that area. Okay, so this is the next best thing when you're not receiving a massage from a massage therapist, is to do a massage on yourself. And then we are going to work towards the front of the body, around the chest. So again, just create some nice circles around the front of the chest. And then you can also just hold onto the chest here and take your arm into a cactus position. Just do a little bit of a stretch. Take your chest forwards, okay? And then we're just going to release the arm down, taking ourselves towards the front of the chest. We're just going to do one little stretch. So taking an inhale, lifting the chest forward, and exhale, just leaning forward and taking the arms, okay, upwards. So this basically is just to give us a little bit of a stretch there. It's always good to add in stretching with massage. So now we're just going to work down towards the arm, okay? So continue to work onto your left arm and just work down towards the arm. So maybe you just want to knead a little bit around your trapezius muscle, around the inside of your bicep, just by giving it a bit of a squeeze with the heel of the hands. Then you're going to take your towel over on top of your table, rest your arm onto the towel, and then you're going to come onto the forearm. Now, using your thumb, you're going to basically massage, okay, with circular motion. And you can tuck the other fingers in towards your palm. And then basically, this is going to work onto the extensor digitorum muscle, which is the muscle which is mainly used particularly for typing. So this muscle can become very, very tight, and it's that kind of thick muscle within the middle of the forearm, okay? And then you can feel free to do some knuckles here if you wish instead. And then maybe you want to turn your hands so that your palm is facing up and work on the inside of the arm, okay, towards the thumb, onto the brachioradialis, okay? So this muscle on the inside of the arm becomes very, very tight, particularly if you're with a phone and you're doing this kind of motion with your thumb. So this is a really good way to ease off the stress. Again, you can do some knuckles, but I would, with this area, because it's a bit more sensitive, use your thumb, okay, as you have more of a sense of how it feels for you. And then you're going to take your thumb onto the inside of your palm and then just work on the heel of the hands. So this is a really good way to just massage the space. And then maybe you want to work your thumb between the space, the webbing space between your pinky and your ring finger, the webbing space between your ring finger and your middle, and a webbing space between your middle and your index, okay? And a webbing space between your index and your thumb. Then you're going to cut over the thumb with the whole hand and pull, okay? And then the index finger, so you create like a sock and pull. And then place the sock over your middle finger, pull, create a sock over your ring finger, pull, pinky and pull. Then you're going to take your hands out, so you're going to hold on to your fingers and do a bit of a stretch, okay? Maybe you want to stretch your thumb back as well, okay? Only nice and lightly. Then you're going to make a fist and you're just going to hold onto the top of the hand and just stretch this forearm here. And then just give your hand a bit of a shake. Lovely. Do the same side onto the other arm now. Okay, so you're just going to hold onto the other arm. So squeeze over the shoulder, squeeze behind the bicep. Maybe we'll squeeze the heel of the hand into the bicep and then behind the tricep. And then you're going to work onto the forearm. So you're going to work on the top of the forearm into that extensor digitorum muscle, doing some fun circular motions back and forth, creating some oxygen here, easing away any tension. Coming into knuckles if you wish. And then you're going to turn your palm facing up. Again, do some nice firm circles on the inside of your arm towards the thumb, onto that brachioradialis muscle. Very good for ease and tension. And then come into the palmar surface of the hand. You can work with your thumb around the heel of the hands, around the webbing there between your pinky and ring finger, between the ring finger and the middle finger, between the middle finger index, between the index and thumb, okay? And then you're going to make a sock over your thumb, and then pull, over your index, pull, over your middle, and pull, over your ring, and pull, over your pinky, and pull. Then we'll stretch out the hands, maybe stretch out the thumb, make a fist, and then stretch out the back of the hand. Give your hand a shake. And then take two hands, and then just take them out, okay? And then we're just going to take the arms overhead, open up the chest, take the hands in front of the heart center. So thank you guys, I hope you feel better, I hope that your muscles feel a little bit more warm, I hope you feel a little bit more energized, and thank you so much for following this self-massage video. Feel free to get in contact with us if you want to learn more about massage services. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care, bye-bye.